ki samla puli bopher gibrang hapo kashatri jongka North East Student Organization NESO hapo ka jinglam jongka Khasi Student Union KSU kila pelong ke Shong Kyllaiñ Mungor hakmat umot tirot sing kabrna Fire Brigade kum kadak ben pendam jor ke Sorkar Pdeng halor ke Jingumsnam jar hakabede baga Jingumsnam hajla Manipur hakani ke Shong Kyllaiñ Mungor jing samla puli hak handai trik unai wing aja pulai lai sendan lang de seng balang jongka jela bakantop Kaseng Hinyo Trap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO, Khasi Student Union KSU, Hinyo Trap National Youth Front HNYF, FKGGP Bat Kiwe. Kajing Shong Kyllaiñ Mungor jong samla mtaksi kadai nama kajing submithi jong Sorkar India, baga jibom le ai ban yo no kajing sok hapo kajla Manipur, kablakot syakhnri upnai jong kajing ja Jingumsnam. Baro ngikwa kajing sok omi kajing umsnam. Kani kajing le jong Sorkar ban skap menti kadai namar bakilek politik ban penjot ipai ba laban rap kiseng balang. Presiden jong kikuki usamla thang jalan uloong bahadu mentang ladu no isibun ba ki mensim ki baloi ki balaklat no hakani ka Jingumsnam. Kidon bun ru ki samla kan thai basenrang ki blasa kidnap lani syara bor basya penyap dusman hapo ka dalam Manipur. Lan riu menai kan thi kalayai ka Jingumsnam ha Manipur hapeng ki jai pun riu kuki ba ki meite. Hendrei ka Sorkar Pdeng hadu menta kamsim nasim kanu kasin jam ban penyo no iga jingasok hapo jong katay kajala.
Not just based on the particular community, but for the whole northeastern region. We feel the pain the same way like the other community feels. The other community feels maybe more or less, but we from the home state, we feel more. We feel sad. We feel so sorry for our brothers and sisters that we cannot do anything. But we can at least pray to God that these longings of peace be prevailed soon. But this peace cannot be prevailed alone by the speech, by such demonstration, but by our action we have to let the government, state government or the central government must know that we are also a part of India. If not, then what are you doing right now? The brothers, the sisters, the mothers, the fathers, the small kids, the youths are being displaced. They are becoming homeless. No educations are given. They are staying in the relief camp. And this is not just for one community, for both the communities I'm talking about. We concerned for the whole Manipur. I am here not just for Meitei but for Manipur. That includes the whole of the religions or the particular ethnic groups that exist in Manipur. We really condemn the attitude, the behavior of the government, the competent.
New Trap Integrated Territorial Organization, in short is HITO. We are here to express the concern about the incident happened in Manipur. We urge all our brothers and sisters belong to Kuki and Meitei that please maintain peace in the state, because we have seen revenge, hate is not a solution, but the solution is only peace among ourselves. We should eat the meaning. Since all of you are here, we must remember one thing. There's a word said, blood is thicker than water. As a Northeast indigenous tribal and a citizen of the Northeast, we have to maintain this. Otherwise, revenge will lead only a difference between the two communities. We have seen in the social media and different news what happened in Manipur. But I won't pinpoint at anybody, because we have seen how the Indian government neglect our Northeast people. If the Indian government want within a few minutes, within a few seconds, they can change and they can bring peace into Manipur. But no, they have a big heart to pass the bill of the Citizen Amendment Act. But to solve the problem in Manipur, they didn't even want to raise this issue. So we urge the Indian government to look at this matter, otherwise it will turn ugly. So we are there for our brother and sister of the Northeast. So with these few words, thank you very much. I just want to say 3 times this slogan. Kindly repeat after me. We want peace. We want. Thank you very much.
Of the Cookie Student Organization, I'm representing my people here in Shillong to address the negligence or the ignorance of the central government towards the suffering and the killing of innocent lives in Manipur. The primary objective of any government is to protect the rights of the people, to serve the people. But now we have seen that the central government has not taken any positive steps to neutralize or control the situation out there in Manipur. We all know the conflict starts in May 3rd, 6 months have been passed. And even right now also many people, youngsters, young kids, all men, women have been spending a very, very sad life, so to say. There are thousands of people who have been displaced and they are right now confined in concentrated camps. More than 200 villages have been burned, uprooted, and more than 200 people have been killed. And thousands of students have been left astray. They are dropped out from school or colleges because of the non-functioning of the institution. So, even the situation has been up to the peak level, but the central government has remained a meek spectator. They are busy with certain things. They are busy with outside the state, like Israel has been in conflict with Palestine. They are concerned with all those external things, not concerning the situation out there in Manipur. So we are so shocked because of the negligence or because of the ignorance of the central government for not catering the demands made by the citizens of the people living in Manipur. We want peace, but to let peace prevail, there are several situations that has to be met. There's so many complex situations happening in Manipur that disallows peace to prevail in Manipur, which I would like all of you to do a research on how peace cannot be brought into Manipur. All these things comes up, and all these things because of the underlying situation that happens in Manipur, peace is not prevailing in Manipur. So for all this underlying or hidden agenda, when it is exposed or when it is solved, we hope that peace will be prevailed in Manipur. As the previous speaker have already mentioned, if the central government is very serious or concerned about this conflict, they can control or they can neutralize within a day also. This shows that they are not concerned about the life of the people in Manipur. This clearly concludes that they just think the people of Northeast as second citizen. So,
Kidanggan kirumba kimakai ikili panai u ka isu ka nisu ka parlong yakom ka ni demonstrate hakani ka jaga hakba ka jingjia ka Jingumsnam ka jiang tipo jala Manipur handai ka senjam ka nisu ka shib kandisu ka siri banangkong ka pamanta ka sgi ina parlong ka jing tham dumiti tipo khandara om tangkata ka nisu ka chupulong jiram ka per Pan Shong perkat yak tak Jingumsnam kacing ot kacing dum wala aman om tipo jala Manipur om tangkata hali hadi jinglam jumpa asam bi jerwa kalian kenisu ngelik panju kejak tipo jala Manipur wanya kendu ya kita prarulum lakilom kimite ikuki
idar lang ki perlok pada ini koki berkemai kumjuk zaman kapor ki jupan snow pat ngakwa abang ngi ke Kyllaiñ ke kisurun kat ke Neso berkuai kam sembiang ngani ke seribu mentang bat bisar mano bakla bat mado badai ikhamiang ngani jaka pensan jingdawa jono jono adi ngiang ngani jaka menta kolong ban penren jaka jingong snapjar ne kata silent attitude jong ka Sorkar India Lada kacingnya Pdeng cuma sekarang dia apo ciulam tanah Modi jak jia po Manipur kapan isai bakas sekarang dia ke Amin Sim mandan ke Jingumsnam cuma kita kecek penjuru nanti po Manipur bat kata kanam kut tahente yo dese ke sapoi kapor kenjia Asam kenjia Tripura kenjia Nagaland kenjia Mizoram kenjia lo po kejelame kala kajungi namar kumbagalong kaman rada kayelong kumni handru bunai kenti kelaya kata jingya Jingumsnam po jela Manipur ii jing sak penyak kulung kena kajinga dum pet handrai ii pat kita kibor sensar jong sekar dia la galong henti po jela Manipur ikiset kelut pakilek matna ya ki jing dia jolong juman kali kapan perkhat dak kumoi pat ka jimut jing perkhat yolese ka Sorkar dia kadon dak kumoi pat katong ke jongka pan ngalak bang kadon tak haiden aja jongka kuno pan penyak pan penmadan dengi kun dicak belum apa impo kan not dia berkoi Neso na kapor ni Jukren ya kata common issue kita kinongsun kiba long saransar namta tak engineers committee impo not is berkoi kata kita illegal migrants ban bawah Shong kanu is berkoi henrai Pdeng cengyak nanti banyak ki pandawa yang kita ke mekanisme kuno berkontrol di tak illegal migrant basosi kolong ik penban baka Sorkar dia katau kapak dak kawai pak kabut kuno ban aiding kuno ban injek kuno ban wara pak kata kajingya bam pak Jingumsnam Pdeng jungi gicek dulu impo non isi kawai pak kani kapan isai baka kata perkhat Pdeng yo lese jong Sorkar nanti pemilan dia kaperkhat bangi kinon is mindai kinon dia